J'ai été contacté par Blaise, technicien chez Alternance Technologie, pour un contrat d'1 mois avec son entreprise pour l'assemblage et l'installation de lampadaires de 150 watts sur des candélabres de 11 mètres. Du projet de l'éclairage public de l'autoroute Yaoundé-Nsimalen. Pendant 1 mois, Méyo, Sangwa et moi avons pu rassembler et installer 447 têtes de lampadaires sur l'Axe Barrière échangeur Ahala, rond-point Supermont, échangeur Ahala, rond-point Nsimalen, Chapelle, Méyo, Minkan. Une aventure d'1 mois pas du tout facile avec des pannes récurrentes sur notre camion. Nous découvrons au rond-point Nsimalen un gâteau à base de pâte de maïs et d'arachide, chez maman et comba.
Combat maïs arachide.
Donc nous avons trouvé autant de plaisir à déguster. J'espère que vous aussi, vous trouvez autant de plaisir à regarder les images que nous avons pu capter pour vous.
Quand tu regardes une vidéo, il faut partager et mettre les likes.
Abonnez.
Après avoir reçu les instructions des chefs, répartition des techniciens par zone et par tâche, direction base chinoise pour le ravitaillement en lampes et en candélabres.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the
Direction rond-point-Nsimalen pour installation des lampadaires. Nous découvrons un mets traditionnel et combat, fait à base de pâte d'arachide et de maïs chez maman et combat.
Combat maïs arachide, riche en protéines, le secret de la bonne cuisine. C'est ça qui est la vérité.
C'est ça, ma
Le
mère.
mets africain.
Le mets africain.
Et le combat maïs arachide.
Et combat maïs
100
arachide.
francs seulement.
100 francs.
C'est à
Nous
l'aise.
sommes Autoroute Yaoundé-Nsimalen.
Cameroun, c'est à Cameroun,
Venez manger et combat.
maïs arachide.
Et combat maïs arachide.
C'est maman et combat.
Chez maman et combat.
Chaud. Oh non.
You smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Dernière lampe montée du côté de... Ça c'est quoi? Nsimalen.
Du Mundi, complexe Mundi Hotel.
Complexe Mundi. Ouais.
Merci.
Voilà.
Quand tu regardes une vidéo, il faut partager et mettre les likes.
Abonnez.